Well, good morning, everybody. Today's adventure is going to consist of a ride out towards Hana, and what I'm doing is I'm going to do a slow motion range test. I want to see what this bike can do, not at high speed, but at low speed. I mean, I know I can burn through that battery pretty quick if I put it in, in sport mode and open it, but so this is a low speed range test going to Hana. You can't do much more than 25 miles an hour. And what I did is 2 weeks ago I went out towards Hana and I did 55 miles. And when I got home, I'd only used half the charge. So I want to see just how far I can go. Not in a hurry, just taking my time, enjoying it. And the ride's going to be spectacularly beautiful at some point. So let's just see where this takes us. I got to get the bike off the porch here and ready to roll. So yeah, let's go find out what this thing can do. The bike does have a 60 amp hour battery, and I've got the 25,000 kilowatt max output motor, which delivers approximately 33 horsepower, and so I'm real curious to see. So let's do this. Anyway, I'm going to turn you off right now and turn you back on as the scenery gets better. All right, talk to you guys later. Aloha. Okay, so we're going to head out and get this thing rolling. All right, well, it's going to be a little overcast, nice and cool day, I think, for the most part, and very windy. So hopefully you'll be able to hear me. I put the muffler on the camera, and so let's get started. Bye, lady. I'll see you later. Bye bye, sweetie. Welcome back to the ride. I just thought I'd stop and turn you guys on now that we're getting into the jungle somewhat, and some of the prettier scenery. So anyway, I just came in here, and we'll get turned around here. are now coming into Hana Bay. This is one of the more beautiful spots on the trail, on the road. Okay, here we are, Honolulu. Oh, some nice little waves today to play on. Here's the valley. How's it? Peninsula there. I'm going to go down there and check it out. Okay, welcome back to the video. It is now afternoon. I just got back. Let me check and see what time it is. And managed to pull in the driveway. It's 12:45, so I left at 9 o'clock. And we ended up putting on it 69.7 miles right up here into the driveway. And finally it went to the red, so I could have gotten another 3/10 of half a mile, maybe more. So we're just going to round it off, say 70 miles. But that's cutting it as close as you can get without stalling. I mean, I went through 10 bars, and I came up the driveway with one bar left, and right at the top it went to the red. So I did a loop around the barn and just brought it on in and now plugged it in. So yeah, I think it's pretty safe to say that I can make 70 miles. But that's milking it. I think I averaged about 25 miles an hour, max speed at about 40 on the highway just for a short section. And beautiful ride. Just it was overcast. It's not as pretty as it is when it's clear blue sky. But yeah, so definitive answer to max range that I could get, and that was an elevation change of 2,400 feet. So gradually dropped from, we're at 2,400 here, dropped down to sea level, and then had to come all the way back up to sea level, I mean up to 2,400 feet. So I think if you milk it, you can get that 70 miles, and that was in phase one. You could go, that sports mode, it just eats up the bars real fast. And two, I don't really drive it in two because this has got enough power for everything I need in one. Yeah, so I'm stoked. I mean, 70 miles out of a 60 amp hour battery with a 25,000 kilowatt max peak motor. That's pretty impressive to me. And for a bike for the island, this is perfect because our top speed limit here is 55 anyway, so even at that you're going to get pretty good range. So yeah, I am just stoked. I plugged her in, and see, it's 12:45 right now, so it will probably take, it'll probably be about 5:45, between 5:45 and 6, I guess, by the time the battery's charged again. But that was a very exciting ride. I timed it just perfect getting up the driveway, so I'm stoked. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a nice ride, and hopefully my camera didn't get knocked out of level, but we'll see. I've got to check it, and hopefully we get some good footage with this. So I'm going to turn you guys off, and we will talk to you guys later. Aloha.